100% of the time, every time
Today
it works. I love it active. Be sure to subscribe for more honest trailers.
So today is a big day for us. This is the first time that I've ever done a stylized shoot with somebody, and I'm finishing my tattoo. See this crazy. Alright, so at Bar Mansion for this stylized shoot today, and as you can see, the weather outside is a little uncooperative, so we've moved everything inside, and it's still going to be fantastic, still going to be amazing. It just kind of puts a little bit of dampers in the plans. And I hate lightning. God, I hate lightning. Ah. Oh, it's my biggest phobia. Lightning is my least favorite thing on this planet, besides snakes. I wonder if I should run now. Nope. Yeah, that's a negative. So far, it's been a fantastic shoot. We're almost done with the bride. We're doing the last couple spots with her, and then we're going to move on to the inanimate objects like the cake, the rings, tables, other kind of things like that. So far, so good. Now it's time to shoot the cake. So this is our cake. I'm not a very big fan of this wall behind us. So what I'm gonna do is take this greenery, have someone hold it, drape it behind the cake. Now I've got a beautiful green background. So the rain did not ever let up, but we still got some really great shots. Everything went super well, and I can't wait to post all this online for you.
Are you ready?